It's the end of July and August is soon to be here. You have left a lot of chapters, your friends are way ahead, and you are scared as hell. And you are asking yourself, is it too late? Is it too late to start my class 10 preparation? Let me answer this with full honesty, and no, it's not too late. Even if you start from now with a great strategy and with full focus and consistency, you are going to get this one. In this video, I'm going to give you a full roadmap on how you can score 95% plus in your class 10 starting from August, right? So hello everyone, my name is Anshika and today in this video we are going to talk about a step-by-step roadmap on how you can score 95% plus starting from August, right? I myself have scored 96% in my class 10 board, so I think I'm the right one to help you. So watch this video till the very end without skipping it, okay? So yeah, let's get started with the video. I can feel that stress when teachers are speeding up their chapters and syllabus and everyone else in your class is answering their questions, they're doing the revision, right? And you have not even started yet. You feel like a complete fool, you feel like you've not done it yet, you feel like you're not worth it, right? So I would say that no, that's not the thing. You are very much capable. So let me tell you that from August to December, it's your golden months. It's your golden zone. I started after August only, right? Because in September में हमारे half yearly होते हैं, so it's okay to start from August, right? So do not take that pressure. Let's get in detail, like how we can do so. Okay, so let's talk about the 5 months power plan. We have August, we have September, October, November, and December, right? So we have the 5 months where we can study. 5 months equal 150 days. It's more than enough, right? Trust me, 150 day of focus can change your life, can change your class 10th marks. And also one more thing, that you don't need to study 10 hours a day. A good 3 hours a day, a good 3.5 hours a day, it's well enough for you to score 95% plus. So now we have a few focus areas where we need to focus in these 5 months. First is to cover full NCERT, then writing practice, then third is the weekly revision, fourth is the full syllabus completion by December, and the last and the final, January and February for the revision and sample paper. Now let's talk about the subject-wise plan. So I am taking the 5 main subjects which are the core subjects of your class 10. First is maths. I would say all the 7 days you have to do maths, but in the starting 6 days you're gonna do new chapters, and on the 7th day you'll do the revision on Sunday, okay? That's all. Then second, we have science, and third is SST. Both the subjects are really great and you need to study them. So on Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday, you will be studying science, and Thursday, Friday and Saturday, you will be studying SST, and on the Sunday, you will be doing revision again, okay? And now talking about Hindi and English, so that's again, you can give even half hour a day if you want to. Like you'll be giving starting 3 days to English and last 3 days to Hindi. If you can give, otherwise you have to take both these subjects on the Sunday only. That's for your revision day, right? And I think you can give, because if we take like 1 and 1.5 hours a day daily for maths and 1 hour for your core subjects like science and SST, you can give half an hour to your literature subjects, right? Your Hindi and English. And also listen to me very carefully, that in these days what you will be doing, you will be just doing the NCERT, you will be reading it line by line, watching a lecture, then you will be making your short notes, and then doing all the in-text and the back exercise question of all NCERT, okay? That's all you need to do right now. Because in maths also, practice is more than reading. Practice is more than just reading. In science also, in SST also, you need to write your questions, you need to write things up. So in this way, we will be able to complete our syllabus from August to December. और बीच में अगर आपके हाफ ईयरली होंगे तो मतलब चैप्टर्स हम उस अकॉर्डिंग ही लेंगे, कि अगर उस अकॉर्डिंग ही लेंगे, अगर कि हमारे सितंबर मिड से अगर हाफ ईयरली है और उसमें 7 चैप्टर आ रहे हैं हर सब्जेक्ट से, राइट? सो उन 7 सब्जेक्ट चैप्टर्स को करने का हम ट्राई करेंगे. लेकिन ये चीज है, अगर टीचर ने आपके 3 तो एटलीस्ट चैप्टर करवा दिए होंगे, तो बाकी के जो 4 चैप्टर्स हैं, तो हम क्या करेंगे कि उन 4 चैप्टर्स को तो आप टीचर्स के साथ करोगे, स्कूल में कंप्लीट करोगे. बाद में आके यू कैन गिव इट अ क्विक रिवीजन, बट बाकी जो आपका बैकलॉग्स है 1 2 3 वो आप उस मेजर टाइम में करोगे जो आपको सेल्फ स्टडी टाइम होगा. बिकॉज यू कैन नॉट leave these topics far behind, right? Because you have to give them in your half yearly also. So consider your half yearly. आपको बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स को टेंशन भी होगी हाफ ईयरली की, क्योंकि अगर तैयारी नहीं होगी तो डर बहुत लग रहा होगा. ओके, वन थिंग इज क्लियर कि आपके हाफ ईयरली के मार्क्स डेफिनेटली नहीं जुड़ते. अगर आपके हाफ ईयरली में कितने भी मार्क्स हो, उससे आपके बोर्ड से कोई रिलेशन नहीं है, राइट? So what you're gonna do is that you have to study these subjects जितना भी हो आपसे chapters वो उस according करो that you are able to do it. एक बार आपका सारे chapters complete हो जाए, that's it. And the next 2 months that we have is January and February. We are gonna do ample amount of revision, whatever is needed, and we are gonna do our sample paper and previous year question. You can do previous year questions starting from now also if you want to. And if you don't have any resources to do that, you can go for any online resource. There are like various Google sites which provides you previous year question, and also the CBSE's official site is also there which gives you the full length papers. And also on YouTube you can search for it, you'll get that. And if it doesn't works out and you want a hard copy, then you have to purchase a book. It would cost around 120 to 150 rupees, and that will be worth it. There are three most important things in class 10th, the whole journey you're gonna see. First is your NCRT. NCRT is your best friend. It's going to be your best friend. Second is revision, revision, revision. You have to hear this word 1,000 times. And the third, it's going to be your previous year question. They are also your second best friends. You have to do it by any way. You're not understanding it right now, but if you see the previous year questions, you will see the repetition. They're repeated every year. And also, I'm also here for you. If you need any help in any question or anything like that, I will be happy to help you in that. And if you have any freaking doubt, or you think there's any query, or you want a new video on some or the other topic, I am here to make that also. I'm here with you in your whole journey, right? So don't think that you're not worth it. You are. You can do much more than you think. And if you guys are confused about the resources, then there's a video of mine. I will link that in the description box, and you can go for that, and you can confine your resource, right? Because I think resource limitation is the most important thing. You will think otherwise you are gonna think the whole year that मैं ये बुक कर लेता, मैं ये बुक कर लेता, right? मैं ये बुक कर लेती या फिर ये बुक कर लेता. So I think that should not be the thing. आपके रिसोर्सेस ऑलरेडी फिक्स्ड होने चाहिए. किन टीचर से आपको पढ़ना है वो भी फिक्स्ड होना चाहिए. अदरवाइज इट्स गोना बी like a thing that you'll face in the very like longer run. Okay, so that should be fixed, and it gives you ease to study also, right? So that's all. And if you have any freaking doubt, you feel free to ask in the comment section. I'm here to reply. And yeah, that's all. I hope you a very great journey of your class 10th, and I hope you score 95% plus. And even more than that, you can even score a 98 and a 99 starting from now also. Even after that also, you can score really good marks if you're starting from like October, September also. But I want you have wasted your time till now, but you can't do it anyway, right? If you want a perfect marks, if you want 100 on maths, if you want 100 in science, right? So you have to start from now, and you have 3 to 4 days of July. You can do whatever you want to do. You can make a limited resources list for you. You can follow, you can have a plan. You can customize this plan also according to yourself, whatever you are gonna do. And yeah, that's all for today's video. I hope to meet you next time with a new and a great video. And yeah, that's all. And I'm wearing this attire. This is green because it's Haryali Teej today when I'm recording this video. So happy Haryali Teej to you. So yeah, that's all. And I'll meet you next time with a new and a great video. Till then, bye bye.